Sige. Say hi sa aking vlog. Ang aking pamangking napakaganda. Ang pinsang kong pinakagwapo. Nako, baka marami magreklamo.
Okay.
Ayan.
This is the table.
Wow.
This is the first table.
Ang aking tour guide.
Third table. This is the fourth table. That's the fifth table. That's the sixth table.
Wow.
That's
Ay,
the 7, 8, 9, 10 table.
ang ganda dito. Oh.
That's the 10, 11, 12 table. You have to remove your shoes. That's what the sign says.
Yes.
That's the and this is the sign that says the after. That's one.
Ang aking tour guide.
And then this is 60 down there. 21, 24.
Ang ganda dito.
Also the chair 26, 27, 28 chair. Here. 30 chair. 31.
Half deck pala.
36, 37, 38, 39.
Punta kayo dito sa half.
That's the one, and then that's the 43 and 44 chair.
Ay, ang daming baka.
3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, and 8. Oh my God. That's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 slab. That's the one bathroom. Next is the bathroom, but it's very nasty.
O, later ng bathroom. Ang ganda.
Next over here. 7, 8, 9, 10. You can sit down.
Ang galing ng ano ko, tour guide eh. O, diba?
There's feet.
Ang galing ang galing mag-explain.
This is the
Oh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Ang ganda ng upuan.
That's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
Wow. Okay, Ade, try. Try it.
Venus would like to tell. Stop.
I wanted to go in the cubicle.
Stop. Where?
And that's where you could sing.
Hi, Nong. O, kaway-kaway naman dyan. Kaway-kaway. Ang ganda dito, oh. Sa ano? Ang mga tawag niyan, tree, no? Ano ang tawag niyan? Tapos, magpabayong ka. Tapos, mahulog ka.
Sama sila buwas.
Oo.
Siguro naman lang yan. Hapon nga.
Bawa.